In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new credential in n8n. Understanding how to properly create credentials is essential for seamlessly connecting different applications and services within n8n, making your automation workflows much more efficient and powerful. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. To get started, navigate to your n8n workspace. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a menu bar. At the top left corner of this menu, there's a universal create resource icon, which looks like a plus sign or a similar universal symbol. Go ahead and click on this create button. This is your starting point for creating a new credential, and it opens up a world of possibilities by allowing you to connect to various apps and services. Now, once you've clicked the create button, you're presented with an option to select the type of resource you want to create. In this scenario, we're focusing on credentials, so select credential from the list. Credentials are essentially the keys that allow n8n to securely connect to other applications and services. This step is crucial, as having the correct credential ensures that n8n can communicate with your chosen service without hiccups. Here's where it gets a little more specific, depending on your setup. If your n8n instance supports projects, you might need to decide whether to create the credential inside your personal space or a specific project you have access to. Usually, for those using a more comprehensive version of n8n, this entails selecting the appropriate space to house your credential. Think of it as choosing which office drawer you want to keep a key in your workspace. However, if you're using the community version of n8n, you don't need to make this choice. You'll simply create the credential inside your personal space by default. With this administrative decision out of the way, it's time to pick the app or service you wish to connect to. n8n offers a vast array of options, ranging from popular apps like Google Sheets, Slack, and Trello, to more specialized or industry-specific tools. Carefully scroll through and select the one that best fits your needs. This step is like choosing the right tool from a toolbox, and selecting the correct service is vital for your workflow to be effective. Once you've gotten to this point, you've successfully laid down the groundwork for your credential in n8n. From here, you'll likely need to follow specific instructions or guidelines provided by the app or service to finalize the credential setup. This might involve entering API keys, secret codes, or authentication details, depending on the requirements of the service. Remember, setting up the correct credential is like paving a smooth road for n8n to travel. It ensures that your integrations function properly and securely. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to create a new credential in n8n. With these steps, you're now equipped to make seamless connections between your apps and services, opening up exciting new possibilities for workflow automation. Thank you for watching, and happy automating!